Hi everyone. Now let's talk about Python can be used in different domains. See, while you are learning Python programming language, whether you are a fresher or experienced, first you need to capture complete understanding about each and every concept from the core level to advanced level. Once you complete all the concepts are clear, now when you are going to join the project, whether it is banking project, healthcare project, whatever, then you need to write Python programming language only. So that means you need to discuss here few important areas. The first thing, you need to understand first Python concepts. Okay. Once concepts are clear, then what you need to do? You need to understand about our requirement. Okay. You need to get the complete information about requirement. That means when concepts are clear, that means whenever I'm asking different concepts, like you can say OOPS concepts, files handling, or you can say libraries, how to import. So what are the libraries, importance libraries are there. Okay, so what is function, what is data structure. So if you are clear about all the concepts, then you have a next step that you need to understand about the requirement. You are in banking industry, you are in healthcare industry, you are in networking industry or telecom or human resource or automobile, whatever that. So what you need to do is you need to understand about clearly the requirement. That means if you are working in banking industry, then you need to understand what is an account and how to like what are the bank, like you can say account number. Okay, then how that internet banking, mobile banking, you need to understand the complete functional information. Okay, so when your functional information is clear, then you need to integrate with the concept and then build a logic. Okay, then when you are working in healthcare, then you need to understand what is the uh, like you can say what is machinery, what is the patient, what is the situation or BP level. So you need to understand healthcare terminology. When you are working in networking industry, you need to understand about what is router, what is IP address. Okay, so what is different you can digital principles. So you need to understand networking terminology. Then when you are working in telecom industry, what is the subscriber. Okay, what is the call rate, incoming call rate. So those things you need to understand in telecom. Like, then when you are working in human resource industry, you need to understand recruitment process, training process, and how we can give performance wise ratings. Okay, then you need to understand 360 degrees complete performance appraisals. So you need to understand human resource terminology. When you are in automobile industry, so you need to understand about automobile terminology. That means this is the functional information. If you have, then you need to bring all the concepts together. That means techno plus functional. If you are clear about your requirement, then if you are confident in technical skills, then you are going to build a logic. So if you are missing either functional knowledge or technical knowledge, then you are not going to build any logic for the requirement. Then it will be a big headache for you to generate logic using Python programming language. So in this lesson, you need to concentrate two things. One is you need to thorough understanding about technical skills, and you need to, so only learning technical skills, you will not get success. So you need to understand the requirement, what client is giving, what type of logic is asking, is expecting. Then you need to discuss with the client properly. Once you understand perfect requirement, then you can use Python to generate that. So if you are missing either functional knowledge or technical knowledge, then you are not going to write any program. You need to depend on others. If others are not able to write, then it will be escalation from the client for you. So anybody can write the program. Anybody can write the logic. but how much faster you are going to understand, how much faster your code is running in the production is very important. How much time is taking in the production your code, that is very important and taken by the client. If something is lacking here, client will reject your code, then it will be a escalation, then it will be an issue in the project. So make sure your functional knowledge and technical skills should be clear. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll connect with a new concept in the next lesson.